We all know for YouTube partnership program, but Facebook and TikTok recently started their own partnership program. So Twitter didn't want to lag behind, so they just started their own partnership program. Yes, you can get paid to tweet. And just like YouTube partnership program, you need to fulfill some conditions in order to be accepted in their partnership program. And also there are some tweaks that you need to know. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. I would suggest that niche to be something viral. Virality is really important on Twitter. So choose something like, for example, cats, dogs, memes, or something like that. Something that easily goes viral because you will need that virality. And after you create your page, what you need to do, when you come to your page, here on the left side, you need to click here on more. And then when you click here on monetization, you will see there are actually two ways to monetize your Twitter tweets. First one is subscription, and people will need to pay to see your tweets between $3 and $8 per month. But I'm guessing that most of you will use the second one, ad revenue sharing. So when you click here you can see conditions that you need to fulfill in order to be accepted in Twitter partnership program. Here you can see you must have at least 500 followers. That is actually not that hard. You can easily get 2,000 to 3,000 followers in your first month. But this here, you must have at least 5 million impressions in past 3 months. Now that may seem a lot, especially if you just start your Twitter page, but actually it's not that hard. And I'm going to show you what you need to do. And that is why virality is important. So what you need to do, let me just close this. You actually need to click here on lists, and then what you need to do, you need to click here, okay, here, and you need to create a new list. And then you need to start searching for people in your niche. Now this page is about make money online. So here I will simply search for Gary V, okay, Gary V, okay, Gary Vaynerchuk, and I need to add Gary to my list. So simply click here and then click here, add or remove Gary V to the list. Choose the list, this is the list. Click here on save, and that's it. I added Gary V to my list. Really simple, really easy. You need to add at least 20 or 30 people, 20 or 30 influencers in your niche to your list. And if you can add 100, 200 people on that list, that is even better. So what you need to do next? As soon as those people make a post, make a tweet, you need to be among the first people who will actually comment on that post, on that tweet. And you need to be as useful as possible, as informative as possible, or as witty as possible. Try to make as best as possible comment on that tweet. And people will like it, and your comment will rank high, and you will start getting impressions. Also, what you need to do, you need to come on their tweet and click on that tweet, and you need to start following people who actually commented on their tweet, and also you need to start following people who retweeted their tweet, and you will start getting followers because these people are interested in same topic as your page, and that is why some of these people will start following you, and you can easily get 2,000 to 3,000 followers your first month. So that condition of 500 followers, it is really easy to reach. But like I said, those 5 million impressions, it's not that easy. And that is why once you get at least 2,000 or 3,000 followers, and if you have a viral page, some of those posts will start going viral, and you can easily get 20, 30, 50,000 impressions on just one post, okay? That is why you need to create viral page. But how do you actually know how many impressions you have? So what you need to do, you need to click here on more, and then here where it says Creator Studio, you need to click here and then click here on Analytics. Now they are improving analytics, so here you will see just basic data. Here you can see in past 28 days, I got 365 impressions, but on my another Twitter page, here you can see I got 6.1 million impressions in past 28 days, and I have 25,000 followers. So you can easily get those 5 million impressions in past 90 days. It's not that hard. But there is another very, very important condition. So when we go back here and when we go here and when we click here on monetization and when we click here on ad revenue sharing, here you can see you must be verified. You must have blue badge verification, and that will cost you $8 per month. Now that may seem a lot of money for many of you, but actually it's not that much. Once you start getting 5 million impressions every 90 days, you will easily get that money back. So it's not the big problem. And another really important thing is, once you verify your Twitter account, once you get that blue verification badge, Twitter will start pushing your posts. People will give you more impressions. That is exactly what Twitter said. They will give you more impressions if you verify your Twitter page. And that means you will get more impressions and you will get more followers, which means you will make more money. And that is why I would recommend you to actually pay that $8 for blue badge verification. And that is really, really important. But one thing that I actually don't like and I don't understand why is that the payments from Twitter monetization program is only via Stripe. I don't know why is that, and actually that makes no sense because Elon Musk bought Twitter almost a year ago, and also Elon Musk created PayPal, so I don't know why Twitter is not connected with PayPal yet. That is why I don't know this and I don't understand this, but they are only making payments via Stripe. So if Stripe doesn't work in your country, unfortunately, you cannot get paid to tweet. I know it sucks, but it is what it is. And I hope they will soon connect PayPal with Twitter so you can actually start making money by simply tweeting, by start making money with Twitter partnership program, just like you're making money with YouTube, with Facebook, and also with TikTok. And also, when you go here on this page here, Twitter Creators Monetization Standards, you need to read this. Please read this so you know what the exact rules are. Here you can see you must be at least 18 years old. Here you can see you must be active in past 3 months. So if you're not active in past 3 months on that page, you won't be monetized, okay? That is really important, and that is why you need to read all of these rules. Actually, it's not that much. You can easily read these rules, and after that, you can actually you can start creating your Twitter page, you can start making posts, and you can start building your followers, building your impressions so you can get monetized and you can start making money by simply tweeting, okay?
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.